Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair with a straightener. So if you want to learn how to do that, just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need some hairspray, of course. You're gonna need some oil. This is optional. My hair is really dry, so I do like using oil. A brush, a comb, and a hair clip. And of course, you need a straightener. So I use this larger straightener, but you can use any size. I've used smaller ones in the past and they work just fine. So it's really what you have around, and it's kind of like an option. Because the thing is, like, a curler gives you really tight curls and I like really loose curls, so I'm just going to show you how I get that effect, okay? So my hair is really dry, like I said, so I'm going to use a little bit of oil on it. And I have really frizzy hair. I do put a lot of heat on it, so that's the issue, but I use this Weightless oil by Enchanted Midnight by Designline, and it's like for colored hair and it smells so good. So if you want that, I will put it in the description box below. It is a little pricey for this little bottle, but it's definitely worth it. You just put like a dime size, and I concentrate it on my ends because I have really dry ends, and that's just because I put so much color and heat into my hair, so that's the reason. Alright, so I already gave it a brush previous to this, so now I'm just going to part my hair. I'm going to go for a middle part today, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, once it's parted, you're gonna want to section it off. So just go ahead and cut right through the middle and just make it into a little bun. Just like that. So now, because I have a larger straightener, it's gonna be easier for me to do bigger strands and get done faster. So I usually go for a straight root kind of look because I don't like it to be frizzy up here. So what I tend to do is I have this on 25. It really is your preference. This is a Remington wet to straight. And these last such a long time. I probably had this one since high school, and I just finished college, so it's been well over 4 years. So then you're just gonna take it and twist it and just let it go. So we're looking for loose curls. If you're looking for a tight curl, I definitely recommend a wand. I just don't like that. So what I do is I straighten this part here first, and then I roll it, and then again, and then you just pull it. And bam, bam, bam. Okay. Next strand. Now I usually put heat protectant, but I don't know where it's at. So if you have that, I recommend you use it, or else you're gonna get really fried hair like mine. I recently got a little trim, so I try to maintain it, and I don't put heat on it as often as I used to. When I was in high school, I used to put heat on it every single day because that was the only way to tame my hair. But now I just like braid it through the week, and unless there's like a special occasion or something like that, then I will put heat on it. I'm just gonna do the end here like this. And again, you're just gonna want to run it through a little bit and pull it out. Just like that. that. It's super easy. You know, if you're not really good at curling your hair, this is definitely a technique that anybody, you just literally, bam. And that's the first layer. So then what I like to do is just spray paint. I have this extra hole because my hair likes to lose these curls, especially in this Florida heat. So just like that. If you know what type of plant this is, leave it down in the comments. I want to know how many people know about plants here. Okay, just like that. And then sometimes I put a little bit of oil, and this helps the little flyaways here. You guys see these little baby hairs? They don't grow for some reason. They're just little babies. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the next layer. Okay, so once I get up here, I'm gonna show you how I do it towards my face, okay? Alright, so once you get near your face, you're going to want to grab all the strands here. And what I do is I separate this in two. And then here, you get a little closer to the root and start twisting, twisting, twisting. And bam. Okay, so then here, I just brush it a little, or straighten it. And pull away from your face. And you're gonna do something like this, okay? So just like that. So that is this side completed. And like I said, they're not really tight curls. Okay, so now that I have that side complete, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this side. I tried to, once I curl it, push it back. That way, I'm just gonna do that to get that out of the way. And then here, I just retouch this. And I gotta comb the little baby hairs back. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. I can make one where I show you how to do 2 braids, you know, on both sides, or any type of braid. I'm actually really good at doing braids, so I know how to do those. Alright, so once I get done with both sides, I just go in and retouch where I see that needs to be done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of oil, just for my tips, and then here on top. Alright guys, so this is the final look. They're very subtle. I think that they come out really beautiful and it's super fast. So also with this hairstyle, you can do different looks with it. So for example, I'm going to push it back and put a little clip. So you can do numerous different hairstyles with this hair. You can even grab a little hair tie or something, and what I like to do is just leave maybe like a little strand out. I'm just gonna leave this strand, and I'm going to just kind of like tease this part up here, and I'm just going to put this little guy in here. And bam, you have another look. So it's something super easy that you can just do numerous hairstyles with. Of course, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. And I hope that you guys try this out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.